Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to transfer Dogecoin from Bitrue to Uphold in 2025. If you're into crypto and want to move your Dogecoin seamlessly between exchanges, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always double-check for any updates since crypto rules can change. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Bitrue and Uphold. You'll need some Dogecoin in your Bitrue wallet, and don't forget to verify your Uphold account for withdrawals. Oh, and keep an eye on transaction fees. They can vary based on network congestion in 2025. Step 1. Log into your Bitrue account. Head over to the Wallets section and select Dogecoin from your asset list. Look for the Withdraw or Send option. It's usually right there on the main dashboard. Next, you'll need the Uphold wallet address. Jump over to your Uphold account, go to the Dogecoin wallet, and copy the deposit address. Pro tip: double-check that it's the correct network, like the Dogecoin mainnet, to avoid any mix-ups. Back on Bitrue, paste that Uphold address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of Dogecoin you want to transfer. Remember, leave a little extra for fees if needed. Review everything carefully, then hit Confirm. You'll get a confirmation code or email, so keep an eye on that. Once the transaction is initiated, it might take a few minutes to an hour to process, depending on the blockchain. Head back to Uphold and refresh your wallet to see your Dogecoin arrive. If it doesn't show up, check the transaction status on a blockchain explorer like Dogechain. And there you have it. That's how you transfer Dogecoin from Bitrue to Uphold in 2025. Always prioritize security. Use two-factor authentication and never share your private keys. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.